So today our objective here is Guy is going to come over with the truck. We're going to try to get this up to his shop. He's already got the red FZR bike. He's got the carbs and the exhaust off. And maybe in 1 or 2 days we'll be able to swap that all out. And if the weather cooperates, even get a test ride or the equivalent of that. But it's going to be a hopefully a couple-day project. I don't really know how long. But I'm really looking forward to the day that this will have the new carbs and the EXUP. And that will really return it, I think, to being a much friendlier street bike. When it had the straight through exhaust, of course, super, super loud. That was always one of the problems. And you'd kind of announce yourself, hey, here I come. Got a spare ticket in your ticket booth there? Anyway, hey, this worked out as one of the things that saved my bacon many times over the years was the, of course, the radar detector. But in the days when this was the Ferrari bike, I keep that on as just a memory of some great times. And let's see, I haven't really looked. It's coming up on 35,000. Oh boy, a lot of bikes don't make it to 35,000. I'm glad this one did. And this has always been, and maybe it always will be, one of my favorite bikes. When I did this paint job, 900-hour restoration, I just was really into it at that point in time. I was out in this freezing cold garage like forever. In the end, I just can't imagine having the rest of my life to live and not having this bike in particular. This has always been one of my favorite bikes, the FZR. And we're going to hopefully extend his life by, well, some amount anyway. I just got to wait for Guy to get here. Now, every work team day starts with a trip to the bagel shop. Look at this. There's a little frost on the windshield this morning. Oh. This is always the secret to a great A-team day. Start off with 24 bagels from Nita Bagel. These are really the best bagels around. We're just waiting for Guy to get here, but we got the magic formula. Parts for several of our friends, a bike that needs work, and a dozen bagels. Well, it turned out to be a lot colder than they said it was. Guy's got the truck ready with the ramp, and we're ready to take the guy go up to Guy's house with some bagels and have a great A-team day.
Or
we got the before photo after he forgets to tie the straps down in the truck.
yeah.
All right, let's go, baby. Time is money here in FZR land. Actually, he's an expert at doing this. You gotta be when you're a track guy. There he goes, over the cliff. Sooner or later, he's going over the cliff. Anyway, we were gonna plan a riding day today, but Najat and Luciano were coming, but today, way too cold. I had ice on the windshield of the car when I got up. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. Just a total thing of beauty. Boy, the wind is howling. Oh, we were in the middle of a big storm here. Who knew? Finally. The wind blew us here. We gotta wait for Luciano and Najat. They're gonna show up too, and I hope this is gonna be a good day. That weather is unpredictable.
We go backwards just as good as we go forward.
Oh my God. Help me, Rhonda. Help me, Rhonda. Oh, here's the other FZR that we're going to be swapping parts with. I think you've already got most of the stuff off, right?
Everything's right here.
Oh, you got all the parts off, okay.
You wanted the airbox, carburetor.
Airbox, carbs, the rubber biscuits.
Rubber biscuits I got, they're actually in really good shape. EXUP valve, exhaust.
The EXUP valve's the big thing. Okay, good, you already got them off. Okay, the spare R1 that we have. Nice. And
nuts for the squirrel nuts.
Oh.
Gotta feed the squirrel.
Bicycles to stay in shape. Oh, he's got his doctorate in. What are these things? Are you a dentist or a doctor? Or
Oh, those are my welding and door hardware certification.
Anyway, this is a beautiful place to work on motorcycles. And it's even better when you have some friends that are a lot of fun to hang around with. We still need to find those friends though. So the thing we're going to try to do, and we'll do some of it today, but not all of it, of course, These are a set of stock carbs off of that FZR that was running great. This is a stock air box, not one that's been modified. The EXUP valve and the cable and the servo, but we have the servo on the bike. And these, when you have a bike and they harden up, it's a whole nother thing. So we're hoping by getting all these parts and of course the a real Yamaha EXUP muffler, that should turn the bike into a much more tractable, streetable bike, which is what we want. And well, we're going to see how this plays out. Now I'm going to start polishing that part, try to clean it up. It's going to ultimately wind up on the yellow bike. So you're getting good use out of that lift, huh, baby?
We do a lot of surgery here. The doctor is officially...
The surgery table here, we're going to do an abortion today.
Oh, jeez.
So what we want to do is, while we're taking the parts off the bike, I want to put a nice coat of wax on them. They're going to be sitting here. And this cleaned up, this couldn't be a lot better than that. That's perfect. Alright, so we got
Not yet, the website's not up. They put the schedule out, but they didn't put the website up. But they're going to make a new website. I just don't understand why there's only 6. It's fucking killing me. I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
I saw it.
This is the carb that leaks. It's the one
The price goes up every year.
Yeah. How much is it now? 300?
No, 235 something.
235? Oh man. I'm glad I'm done with it. Don't drop it, don't drop it.
What's that? Remove.
Yes.
Go ahead,
You
remove.
didn't know that? That's the secret of the FZR.
Go on top. It's partly because the carburetor little notch goes away here.
Show me the notch on that. That has a notch, it's got to line up. Yeah, okay. Okay, I got it.
Oh, there's definitely no notch here.
Apple red, yeah.
They did a nice little job with the die grinder there, didn't they? This one too.
Yeah,
Because I never saw this with the
Somebody did a nice job with the die grinder.
Go ahead, say something. You're on the air.
Say something intelligent, Luciano. Silence is golden.
What's for what?
the Kid Eagle. The car made.
Okay, so we got the old exhaust system off.
The original owner got killed.
Coming together, coming together.
You might as well just... Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. Where's my...
Yeah, that's... Alright, so this is ready for cleanup. This is ready for cleanup. You're going to pull the exhaust off now?
Well, I'm going to try, yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I think if I just loosen this just a little bit forward, I'll be able to get this down without taking the radiator off.
Did you have to take the radiator off on the other one? This is a different radiator. This is the
I didn't take
curved
the exhaust.
radiator.
Remember, you have the other one.
Oh,
The extra.
you're right, you're right. Okay, got it.
What is this?
Okay, so these are all cleaned up and ready for the reinstall. You couldn't get to the header bolts. Yeah, that's okay. It's nice watching professionals work. See what's on the EXUP one? I'm not sure.
There's nothing here. But isn't there supposed to be some kind of...
Anyway, this one, if we were going to reuse it, I'd have it bead blasted and painted, of course, but that's the original thing that came with the bike.
This small, it fits in the.
Dude, that's the original one, and here's the EXUP
inside
one.
the sides of the helmet.
No way.
Yeah, I have to 3D print a holder for it.
No, they do it electronically too.
The original MV Augustus had horrible ride-by-wire too.
There's that cute little, that super cute little motor that controls the EXUP valve. All right, so this day ends with, we did get quite a bit done, and we're gonna pick this up, I hope, next couple days. But garage is getting pretty crowded here. And there was no real damage to the fairing. I thought I might have some fairing damage. Paint has held up many, many years already. And that, it's pretty much ready to get the exhaust system put on. We're going to see how that works out. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching. I've comforted his soul knowing that his bike is... He really was upset about it. I have no idea what that was about.
I told you, he was like, I'm like...
At all.